Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic of listening task. Here your skills are analyzed for two abilities, reading and listening. So today's topic is going to be highlight incorrect words. In this task, a paragraph will be displayed on the screen and you will hear an audio of the same paragraph. But here the trick is that there will be some wrong, misspelled or incorrect words present in the paragraph which you need to catch and highlight them while listening to the audio. Let's see the marks distribution for this task. Problems during practice. Focus. People get distracted easily due to short reels and want to get all the information within 1 to 2 minute short videos. And in that time, they can't even understand what is the basic foundation of any task. Reading. People have poor reading skills, so they will not be able to concentrate on what is being read in the audio, so they get confused and get stuck in the middle, due to which they miss the incorrect words. Time management. People are not aware of how to manage the time during the test and sometimes spend more time on tasks which are not so important. Accents. People are not exposed to various kinds of accents, so they find it difficult to adjust to the audio immediately, so they miss some words. Solutions. Improving focus. Try to fix a time and indulge yourself in any book, article, podcast, or movie. Keep yourself away from any kinds of distractions which damage your focus. Reading. Try to improve your reading by watching subtitles of any movies, reading newspapers, or by reading articles. Time management. Time management is the key to crack PTE. If you are unable to manage the time, then you will never understand how to get your scores. Accents. Expose yourself to lots of accents. Try to watch different kinds of videos from various countries made in English so that your understanding increases. Practice. Practicing regularly can improve your focus. Don't be afraid if you are getting low marks. Keep trying, you will definitely improve. Bonus tip. Now this is a general thing which may not be applicable for all highlight incorrect words tasks, but on an average, short paragraphs like 2 to 3 lines, then usually you can easily find 3 to 4 incorrect words. If you have bigger paragraphs of 5 to 6 lines, then usually you can find 5 to 6 incorrect words. So keep this in mind. Hope this helps you in estimating the number of incorrect words according to your paragraph sizes. Let's do one sample exercise for this so that we understand whether we understood it correctly or not.
What we're going to find out today is how it's a bit more complicated than that, which it always is, and I think it's really wonderful. I mean, not being an experimental scientist myself, I have a kind of envy at the way in which science can continue to surprise us by this. People working away in labs, moving on understanding in ways. Hugo is a cognitive scientist at the French National Centre for Scientific Research. Hugo, monsieur.
Hope you have highlighted the incorrect words. For your reference, answers will be displayed on the screen. Let me know in the comment section how much you scored. That's all for today, guys. I will be doing summarized spoken text by this weekend. Thanks for your support. So far we have reached 100 subscribers and 1500 views within 10 days. It's all thanks to your encouragement. Keep your suggestions coming in so that I can do better. Bye bye.